my very own ring light that I made myself. I'm so proud of myself. Like, hey guys, it's your girl Kiki and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title today, I'm going to be doing a DIY and I'm making my own ring light. And you might can tell I'm using that right now. Y'all, it looks so dingy. Like, without this ring light, the lighting looks so terrible. But throughout the video, I'm using no lighting, so to show you guys how much light it gives me. Yeah, so before I get started with the video, if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because, you know, why wouldn't you? Like, I bring good videos every time. And turn on post notifications so you can know when I post all my videos. And yeah, I'm holding this, y'all, right now. I gotta find a way to, you know, set it up. But yeah, so before I get started, I'm gonna show you how it looks. So it looks like this. My very own ring light that I made myself. I'm so proud of myself. Like, oh my god, like, I'm so proud of myself, y'all. I did so good. And you can do it too. So if you want to know how I made this ring light, just keep watching. So what you're going to need to make your DIY ring light, you're going to need aluminum foil. And then you can get anyone, cheap one, anyone you want. I got that. Runner's wrap. You're going to need one of these little flower thingies. What is it called? You're going to need one of these wire rafts. And I got this from Walmart in the flower section. So yeah, I'm gonna have all the stuff down below in the description if you want to just buy online, whatever. You're gonna need a LED light, and it came in this box like this. I got mine from Lowe's because I work there, and you know, I get a little discount. But you can get it from Home Depot, Walmart, I guess. I don't know. I never seen it in Walmart, but yeah. And this is how it looks. And I paid $30 for this. You don't have to get an expensive one like that because it's kind of expensive, $30. But if you want to, you can. I just got it so it can last, you know, last a little longer. And then you need some zip ties and a cardboard box. So to start out, I'm going to take my little wreath, little wire wreath, whatever it's called, and place it on the box like this. And I'm going to trace it out and cut it out. So let's get started. Okay, so after you trace it out, this is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a circle right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut out my little wreath, shape of a wreath, whatever.
I feel like I'm in elementary school again.
Okay, so the way my box was set up, it wasn't fully connected, so I got two halves, but it's okay. It's to make a circle, so whatever, it's still gonna work. Oh yeah, if you guys hear that sound, it's my computer, so don't worry about that, okay? It's my laptop. So now the hard part is out of the way. My hands are hurting. I feel like it's about to cramp up, but it's okay. Let's keep going. So now you take your lights, your wreath, and your zip ties. I'm just gonna unravel this. Thank you. It's pretty long. I got 15 feet, I think. Yeah, 15 feet. For some reason I was about to get oh no, I got 18 feet. For some reason I was about to get 48. Was it 48 feet? And that was entirely too long. So I got the 18 feet. Okay, so I finally got the cord through, and it was very hard, but I got it. Can't give up. See, I got it through. So I'm gonna zip tie that to it so it won't budge. Zip tie it. And then I'm gonna take the cord all around. Take the cord around the whole thing. So I'm gonna keep going around to, as you can see, it's little lines. I'm gonna zip tie the pieces all around that. So I did 2 rows already. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these zip ties because they're kind of in the way. So yeah. Now I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do it since it's easier. So you have it like this. I did every other one. So except for right there, but right here, you put it through to hold that piece. And then you just stick it in the hole and pull it, and pull it tight. Like that. Pull it tight as you can. And like that, and it holds in place. And keep going around in a circle. Do the same exact thing. So after that, what you do is take your aluminum foil and open it first. And you take the shiny part. You can tell it's a shiny part and a matte part. You take the shiny part and you put that to the outside and just wrap in a little circle. Well, in that case, my C. And this just helps the light reflect back on you when you put, you know, this behind the lights. And when you do it, make sure you overlap it so it won't be showing any of the cardboard. All right, so this is how it looks. And yeah, 2 C's. So after that, what you're gonna do is place this on the back of your light thingy, and I'm gonna tape it because I ran out of zip ties. So yeah, should have got 2 packs, but oh well. So I got tape, works the same. So I'm gonna use this tape.
She still want to see you.
So I'm gonna use this tape that I found. Okay, so this is a finished product, and I'm gonna use it from the bottom. So now it's the fun part, lightening up. Oh my god, I can't believe I did it, y'all. I actually did it. Like, this is so bright. Test it on my face. Oh my god. This is with the light, without the light, with the light, without the light, with. Oh my god, y'all, I am in love with this. Makeup tutorials coming, guys. Okay, that was so good. With, without, with, this looks so cool, y'all. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all, I'm in love with this. Like, bro, I was about to spend $100-something on a ring light when you can make your own for under $35. Like, really? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you will go and try to make this yourself, because it's very easy and it's very affordable. It's better than $100-something, you know, but it's okay if you can afford it. If you can get the $100, still get it. Okay, it don't matter, but do it yourself and you come out cheaper with the same product. So yeah, so before I go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me how you think I did on this. Will you follow it? Would you do it? You know, try it out. Tell me if you do try it out. Tell me how it came out for you. But I know it came out good for me. So yeah, so I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye, guys.